Your iPhone shows Wi-Fi is connected, but nothing loads. No Google, no YouTube, nothing. Don't throw your phone yet. This video will fix it in the next 3 minutes. Welcome to Simple Tech Fix, where we solve tech problems fast, in plain English. Hit that like button if this helps you out, and let's get straight into the fixes. So here's what's going on. Here, iPhone is connected to your Wi-Fi router, but the router itself might not have internet coming in. Or your iPhone has a small glitch that's blocking it. Either way, we'll fix both, right now, starting with the easiest fix first. Fix number 1, the classic. Turn your Wi-Fi off and back on. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center. Tap the Wi-Fi icon, ONCE, to turn it off. Wait 5 seconds, then tap it again to turn it back on. Now open Safari and try loading a website.